Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today we'll be releasing a new feature on the website which identifies 7 gems in the crypto market using techniques such as Sharpe ratio, total return, and volatility. This particular chart or the integrated analysis on Sharpe ratio based finding gems in the crypto market is conducted using price action since 2023 January 2023, so about 18 months of price action compared on three different metrics. One is volatility of a crypto, total return since January 1st 2023, as well as the Sharpe ratio. And you can find the how this is calculated on the description. Total return is the percentage change from the start date, that is 2023 January. The higher the return, it indicates better performance. Volatility is represented by the standard deviation of daily returns at an annualized level. It measures the risk or extent of the price fluctuation. This means the higher volatility means higher risk. For example, over here 0.5 volatility which is similar to Bitcoin's volatility. It means the standard deviation of the daily returns is at 50%. So for example, for Bitcoin, the standard deviation is at 40%. Sharpe ratio, which is the ratio of the total return divided by volatility. This is indicating return per unit risk. So higher Sharpe ratio is preferred, and lower volatility is preferred, as well as higher total return is preferred. So with this in mind, let's analyze which are the top 7 gems in the crypto market. And this is first of all open to interpretation. Some investors would like cryptos with lower volatility, such as Bitcoin. Some people would be okay with the middle of the pack, which is not too high volatility but decent total return as well as decent Sharpe ratio. One candidate emerges is Solana. And another type of investors would prefer higher Sharpe ratio and higher total return and be okay with extreme volatility. And for those that type of investors, they would be interested in, I believe, Render and Kaspa, which have equal, almost the same Sharpe ratio. Due to their volatility, slightly difference in volatility. Kaspa's volatility is less than 1, whereas Render's volatility is slightly more than 1. So what is the key takeaway over here? So the 7 cryptos which are gems per hour analysis is Bitcoin, definitely low volatility with almost 3 return of 3, that means 300% return, or 400% return in terms of in terms of the total return since January 2021, sorry, 2023. So over here the total return of 1.5 is equal to the price increase of 150. So over here for Bitcoin, the total returns are 3. That means 300% gain since January 1 of 2023. Second one over here is Maker, least volatile in terms of volatility. Total return 450%. Sharpe ratio slightly lower than Bitcoin. That means although returns are more, volatility is a lot more than those returns. At the higher end of the spectrum, you'd find that most of the cryptos or at the top right have a Sharpe ratio above 20. So just Injective is slightly lower than 20, but Solana, Injective, Kaspa, and Render are definitely the winning candidates per our analysis. And in terms of cryptos which have extra volatility but not that high returns, one of the candidate is Stack. So this might be a good indicator for trading where volatility is high although return is low. So this is the difference between the 7 gems that we have identified. And to summarize everything that we discussed, per our analysis, Render, Kaspa, Injective, and Solana are emerging as high to moderate volatility cryptos with a decent return uh, for example, Solana's return, although is at 16x, volatility is much lower than Render and Kaspa. That's why Sharpe ratio is at around 20. So, and you can check the Sharpe ratio thresholds on using by using this color scale as a guideline. And this we believe we would update every week as we get newer and newer price action data. So with this in mind, we'll conclude today's video, and we also have AI based forecast for each of the uh, seven gems. For example, for Solana, now that we are in May of 2024, our theoretical ceiling per our AI model is between $230 and $330. Today, the price of Sol is slightly under $170. So this means, although the price is not as high as the ceiling price, but it is definitely in the bull zone forecasted by our model, which we trained back in March of 2024. The bull case going forward till August is for Solana is between $340 and $150. That's the bull case. So similarly, we have forecasts on the website for Bitcoin as well. Now that it's end of May, 56K is the theoretical floor of the base case, and the bull case between 72K going forward till the end of December to 110K for BTC. And another we'll do one before concluding this video. One of the other gems uh, over here we can check. Either we'll go with Render, which is the highest one over by the Sharpe ratio. We'll do AI based forecast for Render just to follow along. Today, towards the third week of May of 2024, the ceiling price forecasted by our model at one standard deviation accuracy for Render is at around $19, all the way going to about $26. The current price of Render over here, you can you can check, it's at number 27th, is at around $10. So definitely between the bull case which between the base case which is at $10.40 and the bull case which is at around $19, somewhere in between, that's the uh, current price action. So this is the beauty of the AI based forecast. With one standard deviation accuracy, we can definitely take into consideration 70% confidence what could be a theoretical bull case ceiling, what is a theoretical base case, if and what is the bear case. So depending if the market is bullish, we lean over more toward the bull case ceiling. If the market is neither bullish or bearish, we rely more on the base case forecast of our model. And again, if the market is in a pullback mode, we check if the price action is nearing the um, bear case scenario forecasted by our model. And again, this none of this content is financial advice, just wanted to highlight one new feature on our website. Just we'll conclude with that. You can check each of the forecast for these cryptos, and this is a revolving list. So it's a dynamic list. It will get updated every 7 days on the channel, and also you can check out the features on the website. The link is on the bottom of your screen. So with this, I would conclude the video. Hope you had some information from gathered some information from this analysis. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.